letter says schools will be closed until at least April 20th, and possibly for the rest of the school year.
A 25% increase in 24 hours in Italy.
Straight from the horse's mouth, guys. We are back in Los Angeles, but we're actually going back to Japan because Los Angeles is essentially shut down. As you can see, it is around 8:15 a.m. here. Usually you'll be in a massive traffic jam here on the 101 connecting to the 405, and a lot of people joke about the 405 freeway. You're either going 4 or 5 miles. Cue the applause. No, nothing. Let's see how this whole LAX and the airport systems are operating under this new and tumultuous time that is the, well, I'm not gonna say because you're gonna get demonetized, and that's the damn truth. There's a goddamn fire on the other side, or is on this side of the 405? Dude, goodness gracious, what in the world is happening here? Holy shit. Oh, just switching to my phone here. As you can tell, it's pretty nice actually. As you can see, it's pretty damn empty here at the international terminal. This is pretty much peak traffic time on a Monday. I've never seen this in my entire life before. I travel quite a bit, so. Currently at my terminal, went through security, TSA, and baggage in less than 10 minutes flat. Dude, wow. Yeah, you can say it's a little bit empty here, guys. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back here in Tokyo, Japan with the Toyota Century with the $18,000 exhaust. That's right, guys. We're actually here en route, we're actually en route to go to pick up the S-Class that's been in the shop for the past God know how many months. Let's hop in here. Say hello, everybody. What's in, what's in there, Ken?
It's just wine. It's just wine.
Oh.
It's just wine.
Day drinking at its finest. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh my goodness, I'm soft. So Kaz has been actually holding some of my model cars in his garage. Holy shit, I had this many?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Damn it. How am I gonna get this all home? You finished your wine?
Wine?
Do you have like, do you have a second bottle?
Should we get some more? Bye.
Wait, hold on, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck. Oh no, we're good. I have to bring these all back home. All right, guys, we're currently here at the shop where the car has been here for the past 4 to 5 weeks. It's finally fixed. We're in quite a pickle right here. We came here to pick up the car. It's not here on the lot. It's somewhere off-site. I do have the key. Hold on. I have the key right here. They had this spare key, but unfortunately, there's been a mix-up on the dates. The guy that was in charge of my car didn't bring it out or didn't know that we were coming, even though we had confirmation that we were here to pick up the car. So I'm not really sure what's going on. We're kind of waiting on word, the chain of command, so to speak, to make sure everything's on the up and up. So stay tuned, guys. I don't even know anymore. We got a new battery for the key fob here. Check that out. Oh yeah, unlock from a distance. Modern technology at its finest. Kaz is looking extremely stressed here. We still haven't got, zoom in on his face, he looks just, oh fuck.
Can't put up an emotion.
Oh god damn it. I have paid for the car in full. All they gotta do is open up the garage. We have the other key, so we're not really sure what's going on here. Hopefully something can be resolved, but yeah, getting a little antsy here, and Kaz is looking a little, All right, guys, we got some pretty bad news. So there's a lot of confusion. So the mechanic in charge of the S600 told our people at TPE, Nori, and our mechanic that the car will be ready on Friday, which is today. So we're here with the whole crew. We got Toshi, we got Ken, me, and Kaz. We're here to drive both the cars. We were about to go to Daikoku and Tatsumi and all that fun stuff with both the cars for the first time in God knows how many months. And we've been waiting for this car to be finished for the past 6 to 8 weeks. We think the guy got the dates mixed up. He was supposed to show up on Friday, but he thought it's Monday for some reason. So he had to call our people, who then told us that we cannot pick up the car. So we tussled and fought on the phone for a little bit and negotiated for him to show up tomorrow, Saturday at 10 a.m. But he wanted to come in at 1:30 p.m. because he had other clients that he had to like talk to. But we made him come in a little early, so we kind of won that small little battle. Guys, I'm so sorry. This is a huge fuck up on the behalf of this mechanic. I don't really know what else to say. I mean, I flew all the way here to pick up the S600 after nearly 6 to 8 weeks of like basically being fucked around with. So this is very unfortunate. That was just a very short summary of what went down. There were a lot of phone calls, a lot of middlemen, so couldn't get a straight answer, and the general attitude of this mechanic was, you know what, fuck it, I made a mistake, I'm not gonna own up to it. So it is what it is. We can't really get too upset about it because, you know, what are we gonna do? So that being said, let's hop in the Century. And yeah, we'll just go solo today because what the fuck else are we gonna do? So anyways, sorry guys. Oh wait, whoa.
Taxi!
Dude, check out the RX-7s rolling in. We got a Veilside kitted one. That's nice. Yeah. But look at this. It's got a Rolls Royce grill on the Alphard. Dude, get the fuck out of here. He's got wheels. It's stanced. Nice little body kit. Wow. That's pretty special. By the way, guys, so we decided to save the night, get some ice cream, cool down a little bit, and head to Daikaku with the Century. So here we are. Let's do a quick walk around, see what's up. We're not gonna let those doofuses over there ruin our night, so let's check it out. We are in Supra Mark IV heaven here. Oh my goodness. Guys, I really think I kind of messed up. I should have got one. This blue one is nice. Check out the interior of this Mark IV Supra. Everything's painted. It's got the steering wheel removed. It's called a Veilside Dominator kit on the Alphard. Wait, hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, you're not joking. No wonder they rolled together. Hold on, get some light there. Oh yeah. No wonder these two rolled in together. I was curious. It's kind of an odd combo here, but it makes sense now. Oh, okay. There it is, guys. The Dominator Veilside kit. Mazda 3 with the M3 badge. Oh yeah. As you can tell, it's quite busy here at Daikaku on the Friday. It's a 3-day weekend. We're not gonna let the mishap earlier dampen our spirits for tonight, but check this out. 2 more Veilside RX-7s here. One in silver with the deep dish wheels and one in orange. Damn. Nice. Hey, it matches Ken's sweater. By the way, they've installed new lights here at this massive tower here, so everything is more lit for your viewing pleasure. So it looks like the MR2 Club has arrived here. They're currently doing a show and tell where they go through each person's car and they talk about them and they do a little clap and they move on to the next one. Look at that. That's pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. That would not happen in the US. That would not happen there. And just like that, just set my motor cars down there, safe and sound from the Century. And check this out, guys. The hotel I usually stay at, it's usually very full, a lot of foreigners, and I think I'm the only person on this particular floor. They've also disabled one of the 2 elevators because of, let's just put it this way, no one's really traveling at this particular time, less demand and all that fun stuff. Check this out, they gave me the corner suite. It looks to be one of the bigger rooms on my entire floor. I don't think I have any neighbors, and look at this, double the space. There's only one of me here. I don't know why they gave me 2 beds, but hey, 2 is better than 1. Got the TV, got the whole setup here. Got my Clorox wipes, got the laptop, brand new MacBook Pro, 16-inch. I've had it for several months. Highly recommend it. Got the headphones, phone. Oh, check this out. We got Mr. Mini Cat in a little basket. That's pretty sick. And of course, we got the whole setup here. 2 beds, an extra chair, by the way, right over here with a pillow. And let's check out the bathroom. Boom. Pretty standard stuff, a lot more room, double the fun. Fingers crossed we could pick up the S600 tomorrow with no hiccups. I think we should be good. We'll do a couple tunnel runs with the cars. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see when we have both the cars out here. And of course, the Bo Suzuka car, we've added an extra modification to the car. So stay tuned for that. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Unfortunately, we're not able to sort out the S600. The pandemic situation is getting a little out of control. It's escalating around the world. So as you can tell, my travel part of this vlog was filmed 5-6 days ago. The situation around the world, especially in the United States, have drastically changed in those past 5 to 6 days. These are very, very trying times for a lot of people. A lot of people are losing their jobs. So all I can ask for you guys is wash your hands for 20 seconds, stay safe, social distancing, 6 feet apart. If you can find a mask, make sure to wear it in the public. Anyways, hopefully tomorrow I have some better news for you guys with the S600. I'm out.